Hey guys, so what's happening is when I drive my Jeep, this is gonna be the same for lots of different vehicles. When I drive it and then I park it, I can hear that the coolant is boiling. It's literally boiling inside it. I can hear it. Blip, 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 blip. And I can even hear it in the overflow tank. The camera's not really picking it up, but it literally, when I pulled in, was boiling. So you might be wondering, why is that happening, guys? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. So what's actually happening is your rad cap is broken. Remember, never pull this off hot or the coolant will explode in your face and give you third-degree burns. So you have to let your vehicle completely shut down, cool it off 100%, and then get a nice brand new rad cap and put it on, and that will make it go away. Because what's happening is coolant boils at a lower temperature when it's not pressurized. So if this rad cap is broken and is releasing constantly into your overflow tank, it's not pressurized and it will start boiling. And then if you change your rad cap, it'll keep it pressurized and then it won't boil. And that is the problem, guys. So subscription please, and try a new rad cap. Remember, don't open it hot.